Hello guys, welcome to this video. I want to show you how I got to this level whereby Facebook had to tell me to set up my in-stream ad. It was not easy at all. It was not easy. I passed through hell before getting to this place, but I did one thing. I did something just to achieve this thing whereby it's telling me now to set up my in-stream ad. Okay, I want to share the things I did to my Facebook page before I finally got accepted. Okay, let me show you my phone now. This is my phone. Okay, let me show you the negative response I got because I watch a lot of video. So if you can see my phone now, sorry, I'm recording through my phone. These are okay. I just screenshotted it. I screenshotted all the response Facebook has been giving me. Like you see, they told me you follow the Facebook content monetization. That is, I don't follow the monetization policy. And these things I did were just, I thought I was trying to follow the shortcut, not knowing that I was going the hard way. Okay, let me look for the first day they had to um, bring down my page because I was screenshotting every moment. I was screenshotting every moment. Okay, this is where it started. If you check here now, I was at 4,341 followers. I was just close to getting to the 5,000 when this strike came in. But I did just one thing. I did something that made it like that. Before it was just showing green, all of a sudden it just showed cancel. And that's the thing I will be sharing in this video. If you know you are doing these things I'll be talking, please just stop it. And if you know you have done it, there's still time you can go back and do them. And I'll show you how I wrote to Facebook for them to finally accepted my complaint, but it was not easy. If you check, these are your screenshots. Each time I write to them, these are the screenshot. I make sure I screenshot which dates. If you check, this is another one. Yeah, I was at 16,000 followers. I screenshotted it. Let me show you all of them so that you will know the process. It's very easy. I was at 20,000 followers. Anytime I write to them, I'll screenshot everything. I was at 22,000 followers and still suffering from the um, content policy issue. So, okay, let me show you this one. This one I was at 24,000 and still following this content policy issue. So I'll show you what I did, all what I did before I got finally accepted. Yeah, I was already at 29,000 and still. So this is what happened. I did something I thought I was doing it. I was doing normal thing, not knowing it went against their policy. So this is what I did. Let me just show you. The content I uploaded had something to do with this. I do cartoons, but I never knew this content had. I don't want to mention what's because of policy issue again on YouTube because they don't want all those things. So if you can see these words here, number one, NUDIT, XEX. I don't want to pronounce it, but you can understand what I'm saying. So you see this content listed here because it says here, it says here, it says, okay, let me go to the top. Okay, these are their content monetization policy. I want to beg you, if you don't want to have any issue to do with Facebook, you see things that have to do with sexual, violent, profane. You see, I don't want to mention those things because of that was what led me to the first issue. I don't want to have the same issue on Facebook, on YouTube. Sorry, on YouTube. So if you know your content have something to do like this, the one you posted or the one maybe you are about to post, just go delete them and change content if you are not yet monetized, because these things are things that are bringing content that are bringing this monetization policy. Yeah, you could be having original content, you could be original content, you could be producing original content, but is it content that will have things like this? I don't, you can see it well. Let me just, because I don't want to say the word because of censorship, because of what is happening. So if you know your content have these things which are listed, please and please just just know that they won't accept you because they already stated it here. They say they don't want prohibited format. You can go to, okay, I'll drop the link to this the link to this guide so that you go and watch and see what they don't like. You can go if your content contain anything that has to do with all these things. But you see this point, I just said, this point here, this one, this one here, this point here, you have to take it very serious. Yeah, you could do a content whereby it doesn't show reveal, but the position whereby maybe the two partners are together might be um, all about what they just said here. So your content could be original content, but it portray these things they just said. Look at it, number one, look at number two, look at number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven. Just read them and understand what I'm saying. So I had to go and delete all those content. Yeah. So when I deleted the content, sorry, I'm having a little bit running nose. When I deleted this content, I did another thing again. So this is what I did. Let me show you through my phone. So immediately I deleted the content, I had to go to Facebook. Okay, let me use my, you can be seeing.
And trading this like
I went
spread.
to Facebook.
And trading this.
When I went to Facebook, I went to my account direct. When I went to my account direct, I click here. Sorry, I don't know. So when I clicked here, I went to help and support. When I went to help and support, I went to help center. So sorry, not help center. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I went to report a problem. Report a problem. When I went to report a problem, it will tell you to shake your phone. To just don't bother about this place. Just come to this place where I say continue to report a problem. You click on continue to report a problem. So I did this thing immediately. I deleted that content I said that has those things I just listed here. So it will ask you report about abuse or a spam should not be submitted here. So just don't include. So what you do is, because I know this issue had to do with page monetization issue, you just have to look for page and click page. So now this is what I wrote. This is exactly, let me show you exact what I wrote to them, because they are humans. People who read this thing, they are also humans. So you need to be polite. You need to talk to them as if you are pleading. So this is what I wrote. I say, hello Facebook team. I have been working hard on my Facebook page, which is Isaac to Nollywood Movies, by posting original content, original videos, but previously I mistakenly posted a video which portrayed these activities, and it caused me to lose my monetization chance. I said I have deleted the bad video from my reels. Please review my videos and give me a second chance to post helpful and interesting content that won't go against the Facebook community policies. Please review this and resolve the problem as soon as possible. So I wrote my page link down and I said thank you. So I just copied it, select all. So when I wrote it on my is it pad or what? I came here, I just pasted it. So you see all this place. I had to cancel all these images here. Okay, this was the reason why I was screenshotting all those things I was showing you, all those images. So all those images I was showing. So all these images I screenshotted, I used it because they needed to see what I was reporting about. So you see all these images. When I would just come, I screenshotted it because they had to see my problem. Then I'll come here and click on upload images. I'll go and look for and okay, look at, and this was the last one I sent. This was the last image I sent before I got approved. So you can be, once you finish, you press send, which is the arrow at the top. Once you finish, you press send, and I guarantee you, if you do these things I just said, your page will be automatically restored. Make sure all these things I just listed down, you don't post it you don't post content they have to do. And if you want to post a content, there are content that maybe you want to post content like that, but see, there's blur. You can learn video editing and learn how to do blurring. Make sure you blur the video. You blur that part which portray that bad thing, which is to Facebook is a bad thing. So all you just have to do is just to blur. But you see all this, look at all these things. They don't just want it. Misinformation, misleading medical information, probability categories. So I'll drop a link. Come here and read all these things so that you will understand what they don't want. So just follow this step I just showed you and get monetized to your page. As you can see, all I just need to do is just to get started. Just come here, come at this place, come at this place and just get started, or I just come here and start my setup. So it's just simple as this. So if you find it difficult, you can drop a comment and we'll see what we can do regarding your own problem. I hope this video is very helpful. If you find this very helpful, please click on the subscribe button and share this video for others to see. Thank you so much. Bye.